I know you've been waiting for it. Today at Dollar Tree, they have all new Christmas stuff out and I can't wait to show you. Today's video is sponsored by Wadoku, and I'll tell you more about that later. October is the best time of the year to spot all the new Christmas items. First, they start with the ornaments, and then you start seeing all these Christmas boxes. I can't wait to see these on the shelf. Check out these huge ornaments. I don't think I've ever seen them this size. They're huge, and they sit up on a table. You can get these 12-piece ornament packs. I love that you get so many ornaments for just $1.25. And it looks like they have some new colors this year with like the pinks and the golds. There's also some blue and silver. I can't wait to go through all the ornaments and show you the new ones. Now, several of these I've seen in years past. This little snowflake is really large, just $1.25, and I believe this one is new. They have it in a larger size, and then there's also a smaller one. They also have them in this like iridescent finish. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite, A or B. Look at this cute little gnome spatula. These decorative picks are for sure new this year. Let me show you some of the new ones, like these pink ones. I haven't seen these before. They also have them in silver and white. I just spotted the gold as well. These are definitely worth picking up. There's some others in here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, these are like curly. Okay, they have these cute little, oh my gosh, there's so much glitter. I don't know if I can get these apart. Look how, like there are all these little curlies, but they're all stuck together. They have them in silver. They have the pink, and then let's see if I can pull out. There's like a gold one as well. New Christmas wrapping paper. With the ornaments, I'm always looking for ones that I would see on high-end sites. These ornaments for me look very much like Pottery Barn ornaments, and they come in all different shapes and sizes. I love how substantial these wooden ornaments are. These would be great to hang on your tree. You could also put them on a wreath, and I think you could put them on your packages for $1.25. How cute are these packages? You can get them in this red and black color, and then they also come in a black and white plaid. I can't remember if they had these ice skates last year. I love these. I think these would be so cute on a wreath. I want to tell you about my new favorite game I've been playing on my phone, Wadoku. Wadoku is a wood block puzzle game that meets a Sudoku grid. Wadoku is completely free to download and available on both iOS and Android devices. The game has hundreds of challenging levels, and it's great practice for testing IQ. There are 3 different modes to experience and explore during gameplay. So how do you play? You arrange the wooden blocks in order to form a line, which clears tiles from the board in order to earn points. The app is completely free to play, so there's no money required to play the game. At first, when I started playing Wadoku, I wasn't very good, but as I kept playing, I started to get better and better. I love that I can play it anytime or anywhere, and it really helps to train your brain. I know you're gonna love playing Wadoku as well, and I'm gonna put the link to Wadoku in the description box, and it really helps me out when you go through my link. Wadoku can definitely be a challenging game, which helps to keep my attention, but it's also great for relaxing at the end of a long day. It's definitely harder than it looks, but you're gonna love playing it. I'll put the QR code right here to download Wadoku, or I'll put the link to it down in the description box of today's video. These white trees are always great for DIYs. Pick them up early because these go fast. I'm excited to see these trees back in stock for just $1.25. I feel like they're a great deal. Love the flocking on them, and I love how they're tiered. A staple I pick up every year is this faux snow. It looks great in our DIYs, and I use it so much. They have these fabric trees back this year as well. Dollar Tree has one of the widest selections of Christmas ribbon I've seen of any season. And you know what I'm gonna say, pick them up early because this ribbon is gonna go fast. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. This year, you guys, we have Dollar Tree Plus for all their new Christmas items. Now, Dollar Tree Plus is usually between $3 and $5. Let me show you the new stuff I found. How cool is this candy cane? Only $3. I could see us using this in so many of our DIYs. I'm loving these potted plants over here. They're $3. They come in these nice like metal tins. This one is the poinsettia. And then they have this one that's like holly berries. It's called mistletoe. This one's called mistletoe too, but it's white with silver glitter. Let me know down in the comments which one's your favorite, either 1, 2, or 3. These jars are also $3. They come in white, silver, and red. You could put your own stems in there or just leave them the way they are. The $5 lanterns are pretty substantial as well. They come with a candle inside, and I think you just put batteries at the bottom. Yeah, batteries go at the bottom. You can get them in black, red, and white. I'm liking these white stockings for just $3. They also come in gray, and you can get them in red. $3, and these are pretty good quality. They have cute little glitter reindeers for $5 in the gold and silver. I love that they have a variety of colors so it can fit whatever decor style you're going for this year. They have 4 different styles of decorative trees for $5. They're all pretty different. I do like this one and this one a lot. They also have the one with the red berries, and then that one is a 20-inch tree that's flocked. I'm gonna pick up this one. Make sure you paint that subscribe button. If you're watching me on your phone, the subscribe button is right next to my channel name. Click the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. You can also click the notification bell so you can see more videos like my Dollar Tree DIYs, home hacks, and room makeovers. These $5 metal reindeers are similar to ones that I bought last year at Dollar General. Now, if you're not happy with the color, you can always spray paint them. You can also add rub and buff, which is always a great look. And there's no shortage of gnomes over here in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Typically, Dollar Tree has the $1.25 nutcrackers, but in the Plus section this year, they have these larger ones for $3 they come in 6 different varieties. So if you love nutcrackers, you're definitely gonna wanna pick these up. I love a Christmas countdown. These are so cute. On this little snowman, you can move its little nose to the days till Christmas. This is another variety. You could get a reindeer one, although I feel like the reindeer is not really pointing well, so I don't think I'd get that one. And they have the Santa as well. If I was picking, I would probably get this one. These Christmas boxes are ones I typically see over at Dollar General as well. They're around $3 to $5 depending on the size, but they're great for storing items, and they also make great gift boxes. You don't have to wrap. There's also a selection of velvet ribbon for $3. I'm noticing that this darker red ribbon is very much on trend this year, so I'm gonna pick this one up for some DIYs. Keep your eye out for name brand items. I'm over here in like the tools section, and these Scotch caster cups are great. You can put these under your furniture to help prevent scrapes on your floors. There's also these chair glides. These are so great for hardwood floors, and these would be a lot more expensive at big box stores. Don't pass by the jars. You can find some great jars for your kitchen or your bathroom. I think these jars would be great in the bathroom. Dollar Tree has a new line of dinnerware plates. I absolutely love this new tray. They also have bowls and plates. I just spotted this dish drying rack over in the kitchen section. This is great to put in the bottom of your sink to prevent glasses from breaking. I'm over here in the beauty section looking for new items. Now, I did spot these eco-friendly floss picks. You can get them in this kind of natural color. They also have charcoal floss picks. Spotting some stocking stuffers over in the beauty section. I always check the end caps because I feel like Dollar Tree puts some good stuff over here. I love the embossing on this 2-pack of gift bags. I could see this in a frame with maybe like a print of my family in here. So I'm gonna get this for a craft. Over here in the floral section, they have a few new items. I love this new candle holder. Look how cute and modern this is. You could paint this, use it as a candle holder, or you could use it as a base for a tray. I'm gonna get one to DIY with. If you're still needing Halloween stuff, you can find a ton here at Dollar Tree. They have lots of candy and they still have tons of home decor. Don't forget to download Wadoku. I'll put the link in the description box below. Let me know what Christmas items you're gonna be picking up at Dollar Tree. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.